This is a guide to finding a compatible wall-mounting receptacle for an MS3126F16-26P straight plug. In the Amphenol catalog, you can locate the part number for your straight plug in the index under the section titled Bayonet Coupling, Crimp Contact. In the same section, you will find wall-mounting receptacle. On page 36, we can observe a slight difference between the part numbers for the straight plug and the wall-mounting receptacle. On page 28, there is a drawing of the wall-mounting receptacle. Let's examine the dimensions of the MS3120F16-26S. The center drawing illustrates our connector with a strain relief, while the top drawing displays the flange and mounting holes. The top drawing is the same for each of the lower drawings. Let's look at the S, the R, and the T dimensions for a connector with a shell size of 16. We refer to the PT column because we are using an MS/PT series connector. According to page 11, the MS/PT series is qualified to MIL DTL 26482 Series 1 and possesses all the exceptional design characteristics and quality of the PT series. Next, we'll have a look at the A and K dimensions. Now, let's look at the M dimension. Amphenol does not explicitly clarify the purpose of the panel thickness dimension, but it is related to back panel mounting. Finally, let's examine the G, L, and N dimensions. Although Amphenol did not include these letters in their drawing, here is where they should likely be placed. For your information, here is where the L, D, and N are likely to be placed on the SP potting boot drawing.